Hi, my name is Husna. Actually, I'm interested to join this class because the content is quite attractive. It contains some of the basic terms in Mandarin that related to pharmacy. So, I think why not? Maybe I can use this knowledge in future.
The reason why I interested to this course is because I want to learn Mandarin for the beginner level, and then I want to be an active member as possible as I can because I want to achieve more things during my degree years. And lastly, I want to learn the other language, so I would like to start with the Mandarin as the first language that I learn. That's all from me. Thank you.
The reason why I joined this course is because I really want to learn about Mandarin but never got the chance to do so.
I'm attracted to learn Mandarin since after SPM and I do self-study. So after I heard about this course project, I know that I had to get this chance to actually learn with the teacher.
So for my expectation outcome from this course is that I get to learn basic Mandarin and use it for everyday conversation. And for me, the one thing that is quite interesting from this course is that I get to learn how to use the language and the vocabulary that I learned and use it for everyday use and maybe also in pharmacy setting.
At the end of this course, I expected that I would at least understand and know some basic Mandarin.
I expect that after I join this class, I can apply this language with my Chinese friend and maybe to the public.
For the second question, what is my outcome expectation is I hope that I can do a simple greeting in Mandarin and also can speak with the right intonation and pronunciation. And then I hope this course can help myself to be more determined and fruitful when to learn Mandarin and also another language. So that's all for me. Thank you.
I'm very satisfied with the course. Although it is for a short period of time, I get to learn a lot of new things. And the materials that is provided for us during the class is really easy to read and to follow. And the quiz and assignment that is given toward the end of the class helps to reinforce our knowledge from the class that day.
For me, overall is good because all the material, assignment provided during this class will help me to practice and understand more about Mandarin.
So for the next question, I satisfied where this course is heading because the course material is reliable and also easy to understand. For the out-of-class reinforcement and the assignment is one of the things that makes it easier for me to learn a Mandarin in this crash course. So that's all from me. Thank you.
I'm satisfied with this course because I get to learn many new things along with my friends, and Miss Nadia is very helpful to answer our questions even if it is outside of the class hour.
Hi, my name is Aida Fakiha. I'm from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. So I am one of the Mandarin Crash Course participants. I have joined the Mandarin Crash Course on last April, and it was my first time learning Mandarin language, and it was very fun. I was really enjoying myself during the class. So we will just proceed with the question given. The question given is which part of the course that I find the most interesting. So for the Mandarin Crash Course, there were 4 classes and quizzes at the end of the class. And by the end of the month, we had to do a pharmacy-based video and we had to answer the examination. So to be honest, I love all parts of the course, from the classes to the examination, because I think the examination questions were fun actually. But personally, I think the quiz part is the most interesting. The quiz part we will be organized at the end of every classes. It is held to make sure or to test how far we understand about the specific topic that we have learned during the class. It really helped me to understand more about the topic that I've learned during that day. And yeah, I think it was very fun because it was organized on Kahoot platform. Yeah, I think that's all. If there is more Mandarin Crash Course organized by MyPSA in the future, I will definitely join it. That's all from me. Let's make it short, simple but sweet. Thank you.
The part that I found most interesting was when we was learning about numbers, because numbers which something which we commonly use in community pharmacy, because you need to say the price to the customers, and also we need to know their membership ID number. So when I can ask it in Mandarin, and it's much more convenient, it makes things much more easier actually.
Which part of the course did you find most interesting? For me, it was being able to learn online, and then the fact that I was like so far away from the teacher, and yet I was able to gain knowledge from her makes the course is even more interesting. Aside from that, I think many of us come from different universities, so it's also so interesting to be able to learn together, and it's one part of the course that I really appreciate.
So in community pharmacy, and when some elderly Chinese people come, so they are more convenient in talking in Mandarin. So when I know Mandarin, when I can understand what they say, so it's much more easier for me to get what they want. Unless, because not everyone in the community pharmacy could speak Mandarin, so at least if I know Mandarin, I feel it's much more easier to help them to get what medication they want.
Since we are living in a multiracial country full of different races and also different ethnicities, so in daily life we will definitely encounter those Mandarin speaking patients, and then being able to speak in their language will definitely facilitate in our ways to help them understand what medications we are giving them and how should the medications be taken. And I feel more comfortable being able to speak with them in their language that they are more comfortable with.
Firstly, of course, if I work in a community pharmacies, I can communicate, I can interact better with the Chinese citizens, of course, those who can speak Mandarin fluently, and also I can interact with other races, other people who can also speak Chinese. It's not even a problem, because there's also Indian or Malay that can speak Chinese. So it's kind of, if you want to improve your Mandarin, then we can speak in Mandarin, of course. So in community pharmacy, the patient or the client that come to our pharmacy they are looking for medication, of course, to cure or maybe to reduce the symptoms of illness. So in order to help them to find the best medication for the patient, so I think if I can interact better with elder Chinese citizen, for example, so I can somehow build some relationship or interaction that make her or make the patient feel more comfortable, where I can speak in his or her language, and I tend to understand them better, so they will not feel shy to share their problem related to their illness. So this is actually one of the advantages. We can communicate with the patients, especially the older generation that tend to not to share their problems. So if I can speak in other language than my native language, so that will be a great advantage of this.
Actually, before this Mandarin course, I have no knowledge about Mandarin. I was like from zero, and after this course, I can understand. I'm starting to understand what when my customers say something, I can literally understand what they are asking for, what they are looking for. So this course is very helpful.
So taking this course has definitely helped with my Mandarin level, and then it also helps to boost my confidence, in which I'm more confident to speak in Mandarin with Mandarin speaking patients, because I know that I'm saying the correct words. Otherwise, if I'm not sure it's the correct words, I'm afraid they'll take it wrongly and might mistakenly take their medication. So definitely this Mandarin course has helped me a lot. Do you think you will further your study on the Mandarin language after your exposure from this course? Yes, definitely. It might not be in a real class lesson, but I will definitely try to improve my Mandarin language from day to day, so that I will be able to speak more with the patients.
Yes, after this, I'm actually looking forward to learn Mandarin more in detail, and it will be better if I can learn to write as well, write and read.
Yes, I would like to learn more Mandarin to enhance my skills.
It's definitely a 10. In reality, I'm really grateful for this opportunity to learn Mandarin. And to any one of you who are interested in learning Mandarin, I would definitely recommend you to join this Mandarin Crash Course. Although it's very short, very brief, but it's also pleasant. It's like what people say, short and sweet.
Yes, definitely. I will most likely recommend my friends to take up this Mandarin course, because it's a crash course. It's only 1 month course, and it's the way they teach is very simple and very easy to understand, and the timetable is flexible. So yeah, it's much recommended to all those who wants to learn Mandarin, and it's convenient also.
Yes, I would recommend this Mandarin Crash Course to my friends because it's very knowledgeable and we gain a lot of skill for daily life and work. I'll give Miss Nadia a 9 out of 10 because she is kind, smart, intelligent and so funny, and she made sure we understood the material very well.
would like to give full mark to the Nadia Lǎo Shī. Actually, I want to give more, but the maximum is 10, so I would like to give 10 over 10. The reason why is that the Nadia Lǎo Shī teaching is fun, and also it makes me, the non-native speaker like me, to be more confident when I speak Mandarin. I also like how she guides her students to pronounce correctly for every Mandarin word, and also like how the Nadia Lǎo Shī capable of making an learning environment in every class. That's all for me. Thank you.
So for Miss Nadia, I would love to give her 10 stars. So why would I give her that rating is because Miss Nadia is one of the person who is very patient. The way she guides you is very specific. Step by step she guides you, pronunciation, spelling, writing, and that's why I really love the course, because of the way that Miss Nadia guided, and also to everyone else who was in the course was really friendly and helpful.
I rate Miss Nadia 10 out of 10. Miss Nadia teaching is really easy to follow, especially for a newbie like me, and her session is really interactive, although it is conducted online. She makes sure that all of the students participate in class, and she also helps us if we mispronounce words, and she corrects us, which is really helpful for me who is really slow in picking up this new language.
For Miss Nadia Lǎo Shī, I will give 10 out of 10 because I like the way she put a full sentence after we learn the new words, so that we can see how we could use the word in our daily life conversation.
I think I will rate Nadia Lǎo Shī 10 out of 10 because she always repeat the new words, the new terms slowly so that we can get it and pronounce it correctly. So plus I enjoy the video and short quizzes provided by Lǎo Shī. 谢谢老师。
No other suggestion from me to improve this class. This is really the best Mandarin course, and I hope that more people will be interested to join this course. Thank you.
I would like to grab this opportunity to thank MyPSA as well as Fasih Mandarin for their collaboration and their effort in making this work. 谢谢你们。